welcome to the final day of the Flosstyle Easy Wrap Wallet Sew Along. I hope that you are just as excited as me to finish off your wallets. Tonight we're going to be sewing the coin pocket in place. We're going to be putting the optional extra pocket between your card slot B and your outer, and then we're going to be top stitching your wallet. I'm so keen to see everybody's finished wallet, so once you're finished you need to upload your photo to the Flosstyle Fair so that I can see it. Okay, let's get started.
So if you didn't do it after our last video, the first thing that I want you to do tonight is to iron your outturned wallet, because how much prettier does it look once it's been ironed? Alright, the next thing that we're going to do, if you're inserting the optional front pocket at the front here, so this is my card slots, this is my outer, and you can either fold this in here and sew it closed, or you can insert an optional deep pocket. So it'll be a deep pocket similar to what we've got at the back here. So the first thing that we're going to do that is cut 5mm off the end of your wallet here, and then you're going to take the piece that you've cut for your deep pocket, place it right sides together and sew down this short side. So once you've sewn the short end closed, you want to slip it over the end of your wallet, so this end, leaving it inside out or right sides together. You want to slip it over until you line it up with the edge of the fabric of your wallet. And then what you want to do is sew all the way around, so sewing your wallet outer to your new pocket. Okay, so once you've sewn your pocket to your wallet, you want to slide it back out so that you can see the right side of your fabric. Then want to fold over the raw edges 5mm and iron them in place, and then sew straight down there as close to the edge as you can. Okay, so once you've top stitched that pocket closed, you want to poke it inside your wallet. Make sure you poke all those corners down, but you don't want any of your actual wallet fabric to fold down into that pocket, just the pocket lining fabric. And then we're going to top stitch around the top of that pocket the whole way around. So once you've done that, we want to fold our wrap back around the wallet so that it's sitting at the back of the wallet, which is a little bit harder to do with one hand, but that's okay. And then we want to make sure it's sitting flat. Now, if you've got a diagonal opening wallet, you're going to be sewing across here. But I want mine to open at the top, so I'm not going to sew across there. So what I want to do is take some clips, and I want to clip my wrap in place along the side edges there. So we want to do that on both sides. And then we are going to top stitch our wallet. So because we've got the open pocket, we're not going to top stitch across the top. So we're going to start here, and I'm going to top stitch around the side, and then here, this is where we're going to have pinned our wrap to the side of the wallet, and we're going to top stitch our wallet, and that's going to attach our wrap to the side of the wallet there. I'm going to go up, around, and then the same onto this side. The wrap's going to be clipped in place, attaching that to the wallet there, and then back up and around. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the clips in place. So you're going to sew here, attaching the wrap to the wallet on both the front and the back. So that's what the back looks like with the clips in place. And this one is the top opening pocket, so this side's going to stay open, and you can slide your phone or whatever you want just into the top of that pocket. Okay, so now our wallet is top stitched. You can see our wrap is attached at the side there, and we now have a nice pocket at the back. So there's our top stitching all the way around. So you can see we've stitched in the ditch, so you can't quite see it from the front unless I zoom right in just there. So when you're looking from far back, you can't see it. So the only place where you should be able to see the top stitching is across the top there. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do to finish our wallet off, because isn't it looking schmick, it's almost finished, is put our zip pocket in. So what you want to do is put your zip pull in the middle of your pocket so that it is out of the way of both sides. And then you want to have a look at your wallet and decide which way you want your zip to go. So whether you want it to go from this way or that way, it's really personal preference. So mine's going to go this way. And then we want to place the zip pocket into the center of this piece of the wrap here. And what we want to do, I'm just going to show you on the outside here, is the wrap is slightly taller than the zip pocket, so we want to place the zip pocket centrally on the wrap. So we want the wrap to go around the edges of the zip pocket and over the top and the bottom. We don't want any of the raw edges sticking out. So I'm just going to clip it in place and show you how that's going to work. So to find the center of the wrap, I've just pulled the wrap out so that it's like that, and you can see that's centered. And then I've got my zip pocket clipped in there. You can see you can't see any raw edge sticking out at the top or the bottom. And then we're just going to top stitch straight down that line there. Okay, so now that's sewn just down there. We want to do exactly the same thing for the other side. So we want to find the middle of the wrap. We want to pull this over. You can see there's quite a lot of movement here, so you can pull it quite a ways over. And you just want to clip that in place and sew down there. You can see it's clipped in place in the center. And exactly the same as the other side, we're just going to sew down that side. Okay, so once you have sewn down that side, you can pull your zipper pull back to the end, and that is your wallet complete. Hooray! I hope you guys have really enjoyed watching the sew along videos. I've enjoyed making them for you, and I'm excited to see all of your finished wallets. So today is the 2nd of February. And if you upload photos of your finished wallet or even your in-progress wallets to the Flosstyle Fair group sometime in the next week, there's a chance to win a couple of free patterns. There's up for grabs. So I would really love to see your finished photos or even your in-progress photos. And thank you very much for joining me. So we're going to be doing this all again in another couple of weeks. We're going to be sewing the triple T, which is a nappy clutch. So there's space in there for some wipes and some nappies and a few other things. It's got a removable handle and a few little other cool bits and pieces. So I'm really excited for that. And I hope you've all had fun. Thank you very much. Bye.